Oh, hi, sweetheart. Yeah, come on in. What am I doing? I'm dermaplaning. Yeah, and it gets these little white hairs off. These little that shoot out of here and here and here and yeah. Why don't I just shave? Well, because I didn't. This is cute, right? And if I use like a razor on my face, doesn't that make me kind of look like a guy, a man or something? No? Well, great, because yeah, I mean, I thought about it, but it wouldn't. I mean, you're not gonna think it's weird if I shave with one of these on my face. You won't think less of me, right? Okay. All right. Well, okay then. I'll try it. Okay? Yeah, sure, babe. Thanks. Bye. All right. Okay, so who knew? We are always told that, we like this would make our husbands think less of us, our partners, our boyfriends, or whatever, that this means we're not feminine, that this makes it okay. It's just doesn't make sense, right? So when I think about it, my husband said, honey, stop this. That's exactly what happened. He said, use one of these. This has little bitty wires all wrapped around. See how that is? It doesn't really, this one, it can't even cut me, but it's safe, but it doesn't really get down to getting the shaving that I really want, these hairs, these wildlings as I call them, off my face. And they call this dermaplaning, but dermaplane is actually where they take a tiny little strokes with a scalpel. A scalpel, this is not a scalpel, it's protected so you can't really cut your face. A esthetician be able to get really close down to the skin and actually remove the skin. But this is more of a blade, right? More like a scalpel because there's no wires around it. There's 5 of them on this. There's 5 blades on this. 5. It's got lubrication here so you can wet it. That's all you need to do is just get it wet. Or if you want to use something like a light oil to prep your face, then do that. But this is actually going to shave and really get down to the skin. And then you can actually get your neck, because don't you have hairs that grow down in your neck? Well, maybe you don't, but I do. And they're usually white, and because of my age, I can't necessarily see them up close until someone tells me, and then I know, or my husband might mention it. But I have forever gone in the bathroom hiding the fact that I was just using this, hiding, locking the door, no one come in. And then this time I didn't, and he catches me the time that he finally said, stop doing that, use a regular razor blade. It's much more effective, honey. Shave those little places. Your hair does not come back darker. It does not come back thicker. I have been waxing and doing everything and doing every method out there to remove the hairs on my neck and on my chin, on the sides here. This will go in and get all of the peach fuzz off that you want to get off. You can go up everywhere to get that peach fuzz, around the mouth. These are so much sharper and really get down to the skin and over my nose, because there's little hairs, peach fuzz, that grow on your nose. You can get up between your eyebrows. This was designed just to do eyebrows, but to try to do one wired, basically wrap type of blade on my skin, to do one wire type blade on my skin and expect it to do the job that I needed to do. So let's say no to this and let's try using just a good razor blade to get all the way down to the skin and get all that peach fuzz off. You can do this daily. You get up in the morning, you brush your teeth daily, so just get up in the morning, do it quickly, it'll all be gone and you're set for the day. This is not reserved to men only, just like all the men I know now that are getting their nose waxed, their ears waxed, or burned. They go to the barbershop, they burn out their ear hairs and their nose hair. They've got back hair, and men are going through all kinds of things too they don't want us to see or know about. So let's jump on board, and ladies, let's go for it. So this is my public service announcement today. To stop the madness, no one's going to think less of you for using a razor. Don't forget, my darlings, age is just a number. Don't let it define you. Be bold, be beautiful, be you. Doing my darlings. Bye.